how to find and use Bitget coupons. So Bitget is a cryptocurrency exchange that occasionally offers promotional coupons or code to the user. So these coupons can provide various benefits such as trading fee, discount or bonus credit. So here's a comprehensive guide on how to find and use Bitget coupon. So finding the Bitget coupon, you have to first go to your Bitget website and app. Search for the Bitget website and app here. So just go for your Chrome or any of the browser and on the search bar, search for the Bitget official website. Once you are on your Bitget official website, just go and click on that website here. So here you can see that you have the login to your website. So you have to visit the official Bitget website and look for the promotion or offers page, which section is of turn list to current promotion including coupon code. So just go for this here, bitget.com official website. Just click on that and you have to provide your email or phone number to sign up here. Also, you can go and log in here and you have to go for the verify here by writing your email or phone number. So you have to slide to complete the portal here. Just go and write your password on your Bitget. So once you have write your password, just go for the login option. You have to complete the portal to log into your account. And here you can see that the verification code has been sent to your email. Just go back and open up your email here and you can see your verification code. So you have to write your verification code here which has been sent to your email. And you can paste your code here. Just go for the allow option of your Bitget. So here you can see that you have been successfully logged into your Bitget account. You can complete your identify to verify unlock all the feature. So you can see here. So once you are on your official website of your Bitget, you can subscribe to a email newsletter and enable your app notification. Also, you can follow Bitget on Twitter, Facebook and Instagram for any update. So here you can see that you have to look for the option of code from affiliated partner or influencer on your Bitget here. So once you have been access to your Bitget account, you have to go for the account setting, which is navigate. You have to navigate to the three line option, which is on the top right. Once you are here, you have to go to the account setting. If you find any account setting here, so here you can see that if you find any redeem coupon code, you have to just go for that and you have to input and apply the coupon code and ensure that the coupon code has been applied and discount. So after you use the coupon before they expire, so you have to use the coupon before they expire and ensure the code made all requirement. So in a summary, to find and use a Bitget coupon, you have to check the official website here and here you can see the promotional offers here. Also, you can follow the Bitget forms different social media to find out if there is any coupon available or not. So with the help of this simple step, you can easily know about how you can find and use the Bitget coupon. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.